Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition and health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Almighty so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life, and please you also pray for me. I hope you're getting my latest video. So guys, it is over today. Bring some special beautiful crochet coffee cozy free ideas. So please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety, beautiful ideas, mind-blowing pattern. Some are simple and some are beautiful button-up style. Some are light color, dark color, color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors. Beautiful. Some are simple and some are decorated with button-up style, wooden button style. Most demanding crochet collection. Follow my channel, press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crochet pattern. Very nice. Like and share my video with your family, friends, sweet cousins, neighbors and your colleagues. Press the bell icon, good comment in comment section, and you can ask me in comment section what do you want next more about crochet collection. Very nice. Hopefully you like this. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and peace be for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Goodbye viewers.